In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and use Airtable with YouTube Analytics in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a content creator or a data enthusiast, linking these two platforms can enhance your productivity, giving you newfound insights into your content's performance. So sit back and let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to the Airtable website. This platform is widely known for its ability to help build the next generation of apps, and it's perfect for managing all sorts of data. Once you're on the homepage, the first thing you'll want to do is sign in. If you don't already have an account with Airtable, you can easily create one by following their straightforward registration process, ensuring you're ready to make the most of this powerful tool. After successfully signing in, navigate to your Airtable homepage. The interface here is clean and intuitive, helping you get started without any hassle. Look for the section titled Based, which houses all your bases. These are like your databases where you can organize and manipulate data to your heart's content. Click on Base. This is essentially where the magic will start to happen. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Extensions. Extensions in Airtable are like add-ons that enhance the functionality of your bases. You'll find a range of features that can be incorporated to tailor each base to your specific needs, making data management a breeze. Within the extensions menu, find and click on Add an Extension. This action launches the extension marketplace where various extensions are displayed. To make things simple, go ahead and type in YouTube in the search bar. This will bring up relevant extensions that integrate directly with YouTube's analytics. Once you see the Import YouTube Analytics option appear, click on it. This extension will allow you to pull in vital metrics and insights from your YouTube account, giving you the ability to analyze and visualize data right within Airtable. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to delve deeper into how their videos are performing without having to juggle between multiple dashboards or screens. Now, to finalize the setup, simply click on Add Extension. Doing so officially integrates the YouTube Analytics extension into your selected base, and you're well on your way to accessing those analytics directly from Airtable. As you start exploring, take some time to get acquainted with the features and customize your layouts to align with your specific goals. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully connected Airtable with YouTube Analytics, empowering yourself with a powerful new tool for understanding your content's impact. Happy analyzing, and I hope you found this walkthrough useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to engage with the community or consult Airtable's support resources. Stay organized and make the most out of your data-driven journey.